Check this out. You know, I'm doing this YouTube, you know. When you're in love, you know, you do so much, man. And I'm embarrassed because, you know, what's your name again?
Jenny.
You know my girlfriend right here, Jenny. I don't wanna. I wanna sing something for her special. You know, when you're in love, you do anything. You know. So I just wanna sing it out to you. You know. My baby, you are the reason I can fly, and because of you, I don't have to wonder why. You're the reason I feel so alive. You know what I mean? La li la 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 la. That I feel so alive. Charlie la, Charlie la la, Charlie la. Ah, yes, yes, yes. You want to be alone. No, I mean you want to feel in love. Yes, yes, yes. Feel in love. Yes, yes, yes. Feel in love. Yes, yes. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, the reason I can fly, 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 fly. Alright, this is, you know what I mean, this is how it go, you know, when you're in love, you do anything, you know. You gotta do it this way, you gotta do it right way, you know. You gotta do it this way too, you know. But yeah, it's straight, man. Peace out, man, you know. Take it easy. Peace. Alright, man, Ale, that was for you, man. It was joking around, you know, take it easy. Saludos a todos ustedes allá. Saludos a tu novia. Hopefully she didn't get offended. Much love.
Much love.
Peace.
Bye-bye.